The Red Fort, also known as Lal Kila, is one of the most iconic historical and cultural monuments in Delhi. Built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1638 and 1648, it served as the focal point of Shahjahanabad, the new Mughal capital. Purpose and construction. Purpose: Shah Jahan shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi and needed a grand and secure fort. Material: constructed using red sandstone, it was named Red Fort. Designer: the fort was designed by Ustad Ahmad Lahori, the same architect who designed the Taj Mahal. Completion: construction was completed in 1648, and it became the emperor's official residence. During the Mughal era, the Red Fort was the political and cultural hub of the Mughal Empire. Structures like the Diwan-i-Am, Diwan-i-Khas, Rang Mahal, and Moti Masjid were built. It symbolized the grandeur and power of the Mughal dynasty. After the decline of the Mughal Empire, the fort lost its prominence. Under British rule. Following the First War of Independence in 1857, the British took control of the fort. It served as a military headquarters for British troops. Many original structures were demolished and replaced with barracks for soldiers. Role in India's independence. The Red Fort became a symbol of India's struggle for freedom. On August 15, 1947, India's Independence Day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the national flag from the fort. Since then, it has been the site for the annual Independence Day celebrations. Architectural highlights: 1. Lahore Gate, the main entrance, used during Independence Day ceremonies. 2. Delhi Gate, reserved for the royal family and special guests. 3rd, Diwan-i-Am, hall for public audiences. 4th, Diwan-i-Khas, hall for private audiences with dignitaries. 5. Rang Mahal, das Wohnhaus für königliche Frauen. 6. Moti Masjid, a mosque built by Aurangzeb. Current status. The Red Fort is now under the care of the Archaeological Survey of India, ASI. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. The fort attracts thousands of visitors annually and continues to be a symbol of India's rich history and heritage. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.